Hello, Kevin Obina from networktech.com is here. So in today's video, I want to show you how to verify a USA Fiverr account using a USA phone number. So what I will do right live in this video is enter my USA phone number right here and enter and clicking verify by SMS. I receive the SMS and enter it here to confirm the USA phone number. So recently today I created a USA Fiverr account, as you can see, from United States, as you can see here, and in August 2021. So I created it, and right now I want to verify this account using my USA phone number. So as many of you know that Fiverr does not accept different virtual phone numbers. So if I don't accept them, so in this video I want to show you how to verify it using a working USA phone number. So stick around with me in this video because I will show you where to get this phone number also, so that you can use it to verify your USA Fiverr account. And also stick around with me till the end of the video, because I'm going to give away a free USA phone number that you can also use to verify your Fiverr account. This is going to be the first person that will send me a message to my contact that I will tell you in the end of the video. So stick around with me to the end of the video so that you get my contact and you can contact me, and I will send you a USA number that you can use to verify your Fiverr account. That is it. So the first person that will contact me will get this number absolutely 100% free. So let's get into it. So what I need to do now is to enter the phone number here and click on verify SMS. So I will do that now. I will get the number now. So as you can see now, I've entered the USA phone number here. So what I need to do is to click on verify by SMS. Let's see if this phone number is real. So if it is real, it will work. I will click on verify by SMS and they will send code. But if it is not real, it will not work. So let's click on it now. So as you can see now, boom. So as you can see now, so they have sent the code verify phone number. Verification code has been sent to the phone number here. As you can see, please enter the verification code. So I need to get the verification code now and click on submit code. So let me get it now. So the verification code arrived instantly. So what I need to do is to enter it here. So 2545 2545 2545. So this is the code. So what I need to do is to click on submit code and my phone number will be verified. As you can see, phone number successfully verified. Phone number successfully verified. So your phone number was verified successfully. So thank you. So this is it. That is it. I need to click on OK now. So add a security question. So that is it. I have successfully let me enter security question here. So I have entered the security question here and answer. So let me click on finish. So that's how to verify as you can see, phone number successfully verified. That's how to verify USA Fiverr account using a phone number, working phone number. Okay, let me show you the number here. As you can see, your phone number is verified with seller. Click to edit. Click edit to change your phone number. So that is it. My phone number is successfully verified, and as you can see again, the Fiverr country is the United States. Alright. So I will give away one free USA phone number to verify Fiverr account to one of my subscribers. So if you are watching this video first, you are going to get a free USA phone number, absolutely free. So what you need to do is to either check the description of the video to contact me through WhatsApp or send me a DM on Instagram to get this USA phone number free. The first person that will inbox me will get it for free. So do quick. Before, the requirement is you must be a subscriber to my channel. So subscribe to my channel and inbox me, and later you can, those people that is watching this video later, you can as well get your own USA phone number to verify your Fiverr account by contacting me through any of my contact information in the description of the video. Also to my website, which is called www.networktech.com. So once you contact me, you get it. So that is it. So as you can see, I did everything in the video. So I remain Kevin Obinna from netblogtech.com. Also check netblogtech.com for more information. So here is where I'm ending the video. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.